Hi everyone, I am stegy majo. Welcome to schoolquiz.com. Today I am dealing with the chapter acids, bases and salts. The topic is neutralization. We discussed in our last class what is about neutral solution. Neutral solutions such have no properties of acid or base. Through the process of neutralization, we can form neutral solutions, or through the neutralization reaction we lost the properties of acid and base. Okay. For that we take a test tube and fill it with 1/4 of hydrochloric acid, and so we use sodium hydroxide. Here we use phenolphthalein as an indicator. It has no color change in acid and neutral medium. In the basic medium it have a pink color. Okay. We take some hydrochloric acid in a test tube and add the phenolphthalein as an indicator. There is no color change in the test tube. And after that we dropwise add sodium hydroxide at a particular amount. After a particular amount, that solution reaches to pink, changes to pink. What will be indicating the color change? It indicating the excess of sodium hydroxide. The particular amount of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide react together, and the excess sodium hydroxide is indicating the pink color. Then we add again hydrochloric acid dropwise. What will happen? The color will be disappear. This is the method of neutralization. How we can write the basic form of neutralization reaction, that is, acid is react with base, we get salt and water with the evolution of heat. With the evolution of heat. How we can write using an example, that is, hydrochloric acid is react with sodium hydroxide. What will happen? We get sodium chloride plus water with the evolution of heat. What will happen in the case of sulfuric acid and calcium hydroxide? What will happen? Here form calcium sulfate and water with the evolution of heat. This is the chemical reaction of neutralization reaction. Okay. This is about neutralization reaction. What is the applications of neutralization reaction in our daily life? We can see different applications in our daily life. First one is indigestion. Second one is ants bite. Third one is soil treatment. Wastewater. The fourth one is wastewater. First one is indigestion. The hydrochloric acid is produced in our stomach for digestion of food. Sometimes excess hydrochloric acid formed in our stomach. That is very painful. When the time of acidity, we use antacids. like milk of magnesia. We take antacids like milk of magnesia, that is a base. What will happen here? The excess hydrochloric acid is neutralized with neutralizes. The hydrochloric acid react with milk of magnesia and neutralize. It reduces the acidity. Ants bite. When ants bite, the formic acid solution injected to our body. When we rub with baking soda or calamine solution that containing zinc carbonate, these are the base. This react with formic acid and neutralize. We use here baking soda and calamine solution to neutralize the formic acid. In the case of soil treatment, we use many chemicals as a fertilizers. So the acidity and basicity may changes. When the soil is acidic, we use slaked lime or quicklime. Add to the soil and react with the acid and neutralize the soil. Next, if the soil is basic, we use organic compounds like compost. It produces acids and these acids react with the bases that present in soil and neutralize. Okay, this is the way we treat soil. Okay, wastewater treatment. Wastewater is directly released to water bodies. What will happen? It is very harmful to water organisms. Okay, so we basically wastewater is acidic. So we add bases to wastewater and neutralize the wastewater and to release to water bodies or water reservoirs, etc. to clean. Okay, so the neutral wastewater thus does not harm the water organisms. Okay, these are the 4 applications of neutralization reaction. Okay, what is the definition of neutralization reaction? Acid and base react. It is the reaction between acid and base is known as neutralization reaction. The salt and water is produced with the evolution of heat. This is the definition of neutralization reaction. And these are the applications of indigestion, ants bite, soil treatment, wastewater. These are the 4 applications of neutralization reaction. Okay.